Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. I am going to be giving you my favorite top 3 EV charging stocks that have great potentials to increase your money by 50% or more. We're going to be talking about this and you're going to get a lot out of this video in my opinion. Before we get started, please give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. Also, I can get you free stocks using my links down below to Moomoo. If you open an account, put in $100 or more, we'll get you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, and a chance to win an iPhone 13 Pro as a Christmas bonus. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. My viewers have received Tesla, Amazon, and Apple stocks, so definitely don't forget to get yours. Now, without further ado, I did want to transition and talk to you about my favorite EV charging stocks. As you know, the EV charging stock market is going to be in a brand new sector. We are still just starting off now as we are slowly moving away from internal combustion engines. And by the year 2030, we will have a huge fleet of electric vehicles that will need to be charged, which is definitely opening up big doors for these huge companies that I am going to be mentioning. Today, we are going to be talking about ChargePoint, Volta, and EVgo. These are my top 3 EV charging companies that I do think that will be the future in the EV charging network and do have great potentials next year in the year 2022 to increase your money by at least 50% or more. As you know, there are a lot of companies starting to mass produce and starting to produce electric vehicles, and we are only at the beginning of that phase right now. This will exponentially grow throughout the years. By the year 2030, at least 60% or more of all vehicles that will be sold in the United States will be electric vehicles that will need to be charged. These companies, in my opinion, will be the ones that are going to be charging all these vehicles, and they have a huge room to grow with its infrastructure and increasing their revenues, but most importantly, making us retail investors a lot of money. So without further ado, I did want to talk about each and one of these companies. We will be talking about ChargePoint as it is the big dog of the EV charging industry. ChargePoint right now, in just the month of June, did make 2,200 direct charging stations in the United States. They are mass producing, but with the bill that just came out, the Build Back Better bill that will put a lot of money into the infrastructure and to the charging systems to electrify America, this will be huge and definitely will be very advantageous to these companies. Now, today, as of right now, ChargePoint does have over 11,000 direct charging stations. It does have also 163 total charging points. That is very, very nice to see. And this is right now the big dog of the EV charging companies. They do own about 70% of the market share of electric vehicle charging systems. And it wouldn't be unrealistic in the next future to see that North America, it will be the leader of the level 2 and direct charging systems, the fast charging systems of electric vehicles. Now, that being said, there are 2 other companies that are still very young that I did want to talk about that do have great potentials in my opinion, and these are EVgo and Volta. So Volta right now is taking a very different approach than ChargePoint. What it's doing is it's trying to put its carports to fit around drivers' daily activities. So they ask themselves, where do customers live? Where do they work, shop, and play? They are putting their charging systems and their networks in communities. They are putting their electric systems in apartments, in shop spaces, and most importantly, where people work. They also have very large screens. Voltas have very large charging screens that do offer an additional way to raise money, which is advertising. So local businesses can always advertise on the Volta charging stations, which will bring another stream of income to Volta. I think they're being very smart in doing this. The other company that I did want to talk about is EVgo. EVgo right now is focusing on direct charging, which is the fast charging systems. They have been around since about 2019, and they are providing 100% renewable energy in their electricity. They have partnered up with a lot of motor companies. The biggest one right now is General Motors in their charging development program. So EVgo has huge plans to make a total of 3,250 direct charging points for General Motors by the year 2025. So they're definitely being very strategic and working with General Motors and other partners to make the very fast charging systems. And I definitely think that this will be huge revenue for this company moving forward. As you can see, all three of these companies, ChargePoint, Volta, and EVgo, do offer a lot of diversification in this new brand new EV electric charging network in this new sector that is going to be huge in the future. In my opinion, it's going to be great, especially since we do see a lot of the EV vehicles coming out. These will need to be charged by these companies. That being said, I did want to transition and talk to you about these stocks to see how they're doing. We will be first talking about ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. This stock has been hammered, but it did in the day at $19 on Friday. It did go as low as $18.14, but let me show you how much this has been hammered down. Just in the past 1 week, this has been down 4.8%. From a high of about $21, and it's gone all the way as low as $18.39. But look in the past 1 month, it has been down 30%, 30.3%, and it is still falling. Has it found its base? I definitely think that we are there. But looking in the past 6 months, we are down 41.6% in this stock. The lowest that we did have is on October 5th, was about $18 in this stock. We are very close to being to that low right now. I definitely think that this is creating a lot of great opportunity, buying opportunities. In my own opinion, I believe that ChargePoint, if you can get this stock under $20, you are getting a steal of a deal. We are at that point right now. I definitely think that this stock has huge potentials moving upward. Just in the past 6 months, if you look at this chart, it has only been down below that $20 mark very, very rarely, just this one point in time and now again. But the most of the time we have been above that, close to about $25, $27. So definitely huge chance to get your money, huge investment opportunities, especially next year in the year 2022 with the infrastructure bill rolling out. I think this company will do very, very well in my opinion. Transitioning and talking to you about EVgo, ticker symbol EVGO. They did in the day at $10.50, but look, they did go as low as $10 in this stock. Again, in the past 5 days, they are down 14%. This one got hammered even more. They went from as high as $12.50 all the way as low as $10.15. So huge downward pressure on these companies. In the past 1 month, they are down 23%, being as high as about $14, but now crashing and seeing huge, huge discounts in the stock. But again, if you look back in the past 6 months, this stock has been as low as $7.30 on September 20th. But whenever you do see that this stock is down under $10, it has a very nice potential moving up. You do see a lot more volatility in this stock, in my opinion, because it has been down quite a bit low, but we did have a very big pop up. But look, as much we had it go up as much as $19.23 on November 11th. But since then, it has crashed 45% since its high on November 11th, just in the past 6 months. So definitely huge discounts right now to look forward to. I definitely think that this is worth adding onto or putting it on your watch list, but always please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other of these stocks. The last stock I did want to transition and talk to you about is Volta, ticker symbol VLTA, which is trading at $8.30. This stock did go as low as $7.80 just in the past 1 day, but in the past 1 week, 5 days, we are down 9.3%. We are down as high as $9.35 to as low as $7.90. In the past 1 month, you can see it's been toppled down, 22% down. But as you can see, anytime it gets under that $9 mark, it has a great chance of popping back up. The lowest that we did have just recently in the past 1 month was on December 3rd, where it was $8.12. Well, we are getting very close at that low again. But definitely in the past 6 months, you can see that this has had a roller coaster of a stock trading. It has been as low as $6.73, with a high of up to $12.70 in this stock. You can see that it has great potential, but a lot of volatility out of all three of these. This does have the most volatility in my opinion. Now, I did just want to transition and talk to you about CHPT, ChargePoint, and what the analysts are saying. There have been 10 total analysts that have reviewed this. 6 are giving it a buy, 4 a hold, which does give it an average of a moderate buy with a potential of a 58% upside from now, with a price target in the next 12 months of $30.22 for ChargePoint. The highest price target we are seeing is $37. The lowest price target is $24, but look at this price right now. If you can get the stock at $19 or below that $20, it gives you a very nice potential, even looking at the lowest price target, to increase your money into this stock. Now transitioning and talking to you about EVgo, the analysts, there's been 5 that have reviewed EVgo. 2 of these have given it a buy, 2 a hold, and 1 a sell. So this is the most riskiest stock is the EVgo. They did give an average consensus of a hold with the highest price target of $20, the lowest price target of $11, which does give us an average of $16.80, which is a 60% upside in the stock on EVgo. EVgo is the ticker. If you buy the stock right now at $10.50, you are getting a nice chance to increase your money. But if you look at the lowest price target, it's not that much more increase in your money, but definitely there is a potential there because remember, EVgo is focusing its attention on trying to get direct charging systems, the DC charging systems, and it has a huge backing with General Motors to get the stock moving up. So out of these 2 stocks, ChargePoint is still my favorite, but definitely a chance to get into EVgo. And the last stock I would like to talk to you about with the analyst is Volta, ticker symbol VLTA. It does have 5 analysts review it, 4 give it a strong buy, 1 a hold, which does give us an average of a strong buy. It does give it a highest price target of $18, the lowest price target of $10. So you can still get a very nice chance of increasing your money into the stock, even looking at the lowest price target of $10. But if you average these 2 together, $18 and $10, you do get that average price target in the next 12 months with Volta VLTA at $13, which will give it a 56% upside from now. So definitely, I do think that these are great companies to get into. Just in my own personal opinion, I am very big out of these 3 companies on ChargePoint and Volta. EVgo definitely is a nice play because it has that big backing of General Motors, but definitely you saw that it has the biggest volatility out of all these. But it's always good to diversify, especially in this new developing EV charging sector, as I do think that all 3 of these companies have very great potentials to increase your money. But I hope you learned something new. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. Please continue to share this video with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I also do have very nice promotions down below. Right now, Mumu's running the best one. If you open an account, put in $100 or more, we'll get you 3 things, 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. A chance to get an iPhone 13 Pro for your Christmas bonus. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. This is a great, amazing deal. Please get your free stocks as this opportunity will not last long. Also, I do have my links down to Webull. If you open an account, it will grant you a chance to get 5 free stocks, so take advantage of those stocks as well, as this will give you free money and free trading. So definitely, I appreciate that. Thank you so much again for watching this video and for supporting me on this channel. But don't forget to go out there and make some money. But most importantly, enjoy your family, your friends, and have a great week. Thank you so much for watching. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.